Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 19th on a Tuesday, and not wanting to sound like a broken record, we just continue to push higher there in the SPY. Even though we've kind of been going sideways over the last 3 days, it's still no reason to get bearish on this market. But once again, we don't want to chase stocks, so I'm looking for some stocks that are setting up nicely. And let's dive in. First on the list is Toast. Now, I've been in this Toast for a while. I still think it has some catch-up to do. It's in the lower 10% of its all-time lifetime range. So I'm looking to add above that 3-day high in Toast. So I have a price alert there right at it. So that one's one to keep on the radar. Another one is Path, another one that I've been in for a while. I think this has more. So looking for a break of the 2-day high. I don't think I'll chase it all the way up to that wick. I'll probably add on a break of that 3-day or that 2-day high there. This is a little bit different Chinese play, but it's very strong chart. TAL's had a couple of days of pullback. I'm looking for a drive down this morning. I'm going to have a bid in probably around 1290 or 1295 or something like that, just for half size to enter a position in that. I'm still loving this chart, and I don't mind jumping in front of the bus when they're driving down. So I'll be watching that one for sure. Upwink is another one that I've actually been in, and this one is kind of a crazy trading stock. You can tell by all the wicks and different colored candles, but what I like about it is if you zoom out, it's a big level here right around the 16 level, so I'm looking for a push above that 16 in UPWK. And I think that's it for today. I got them all, but yeah, that's it. So have a great one, keep it tight, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.